What is expiratory filter heater? In the environment of a ward, especially a respiratory infectious patient who is applied with ventilator, the medical staff is exposed to the risk of infection. Using an expiratory filter on the expiratory end of the ventilator can reduce the risk to the staff and adjacent patient. However, the expiratory gas usually contains lots of moisture that may massively condense to make the water jam in the filter. In order to solve the issue, adapt the heater on the expiratory end of the ventilator will be a good solution because the heater can minimize condensation in the filter. For different clinical needs, there are 3 types of heaters as shown as follows. 1. VH330 2. VH210 VH220 3. VH130 VH330 expiratory filter heater is a high-end model in the product group. It can adjust the heating temperature of the filter as well as use with the heated wire for heating the expiratory tube. The heated wire is able to minimize the condensation in the expiratory tube and the transducer in the expiratory end of the ventilator. The user can adjust the heating temperature per ambient temperature. Installation and configuration. Slide the heater on the rail of the ventilator and secure it with the set screw of the clamp. Opening the lid of the heater and load the filter in the heater. Then, secure the filter with the lid. Using the silicone connector to connect the filter and the water trap underneath the heater. Detach the expiratory limb of the breathing circuit from the expiratory end of the ventilator. Connect the expiratory limb of the breathing circuit to the water trap. Moreover, it has optional accessories for heating the tube from the filter to the expiratory end of the ventilator. The user can still use the heater without them, the heated wire. Prepare the heated wire and guide the wire inside the silicone tube. Then, connect the tube to the connector of the heated wire. Furthermore, attach the connector on the top of the filter as well as connect the expiratory end of the ventilator with the silicone tube. Prepare the heated wire adapter to link the power source of the heater and heated wire. For the clinical needs, adjust heating temperature is available with flat screwdriver. The breathing gas flows from bottom to top of the filter. The gas flow may carry moisture, bacteria, and virus. In order to prevent the bacteria and virus spread in the ambient air, the gas filtration is important. The filter is able to catch the bacteria and virus. The heater minimizes the condensation in the filter to avoid the excessive condensation flooding in the filter. The gas flow goes through the middle of the filter is colder than the surface, which contacts the heating element of the heater. Therefore, the condensation will form at the middle and drop in the water trap underneath the heater. There is a heated wire that is able to keep heating the temperature of the gas from the filter to the expiratory end for minimizing condensation in the tube. Thanks to the heater, the filter can continuously work properly to reduce the risk of cross-infection. The filter adapts HEPA, high-efficiency particle air, to catch the most of the bacteria and virus in the gas flow. Also, the gas flow resistance is pretty low. That means it can be applied to high ventilation flow. In addition, there are 2 types of the filters. One is made of reusable material that can be autoclaved after cleaning. The other one is disposable. About VH210 and VH220, they are standard types of the products that is not able to adjust the heating temperature and use with heated wire. The way of use is almost the same as VH330 is. VH130 is used for low minute volume or low flow rate, especially pediatric or infant. It can simply connect the expiratory end with the filter when the filter is loaded in the heater. Then, connect the expiratory limb to the other end of the filter. Eventually, the installation is completed without any water trap and extra breathing tube. The gas passes through the filter can be totally filtrated and heated. That prevents the bacteria and virus spread in the ambient air. After use of the heater with the filter, the bacteria and virus are significantly reduced in the ambient air of the ward, and it finally reduces the risk of infection to the medical staff and patient as well.